Welcome back with Cooking with Marco. Today we're going to prepare one of the most popular and favorite quick cooking pasta in Italy. That is aglio, olio and peperoncino. That it is garlic, chili and extra virgin olive oil. The best that you have in the house. It's very simple usually, with the garlic cooked only in one way or not cooked at all. Today I want to prepare something a bit special that is my favorite version of it. And we start with cut like that. This is fresh garlic. You can use the older one or the fresh, whatever. Fold it in aluminum foil. Put it in the oven, 180, 200 degrees. For 30 minutes should be enough. At the end you will have this stuff. So the garlic will be caramelized, tender, and you can squeeze it off and use it as a sort of butter. This garlic is very sweet and not pungent and as the normal garlic. Okay, today I use only for 2 portions, so this will be enough for the moment. Then we will fry some of this garlic to have the toasted part of it, and I will squeeze one for the last minute. I will squeeze one of the fresh ones. And now you can cut it. Okay, this is the fresh one. Get rid of the first skin and then put it in the press. Opala. And this is our raw one. That is the classic. Yeah? Then, of course, chili as much as you like. I like a lot. So. And now it's so fast when you prepare this that we can go straight. We can put straight the pasta in the pot. So salt in, pasta in. This is capelli d'angelo, no capellini, very like angel hair. Very thin. Cooking time 3 minutes. I put the timer, I want to be sure. Cooking time, sorry, is 4 minutes. So at 3 minutes this will be too much al dente, but we will keep on cooking like it was a risotto. Okay, so the pan is almost hot. I chop a little bit of the garlic that will be toasted. Yeah, this can be like a small slices, can be. This is the skin of the new garlic. It doesn't matter as you cut it. And this is going in together with the chili. So the idea is to toast this garlic just a little bit. When it's like a bit yellow, not brown, we stop the cooking using a bit of the water of the pasta. Okay, so we give it a bit of a color. Now the garlic is a little bit yellowish, toasted, so it's already like that nutty stuff. So we want to stop this cooking. We don't want more color, so we use a little bit of this, the water of the pasta, that the starch is there, so it will help to create like a little sauce. You can put it a bit lower here. Pasta will be ready like in 40 seconds, not ready as we said, but just very much al dente. At this point we can put the other We have only a few seconds more. We can put this inside also. Ready? Okay. And off pasta with quite a lot of its water there. This is a generous dosage for 2 people. Okay. And we finish the cooking like if it was a risotto. We call it risottare la pasta. Because it needs at least 1 more minute of cooking, we need a bit more water, yeah? Actually, I can do like this. This is warmer. Okay. Have to keep on boiling like that, yeah? Absorbing all the water. Try to mix well the baked garlic, okay? If it's drying too much and it's still too much al dente, as I said, risotto style, a bit more of water. Oh, now al dente, but cooked. A little bit more, not much. Parsley and Parmigiano. That's it. Done. If you want to be a bit modern style, then you try to do like this, something like try to get a bit of the colors. Final touch, your best olive oil. That's it. Buon appetito. I was looking for my glass. Super duper. Thank you. Salute.
Okay.
Ciao.